Hi guys, that's my birthday 2 days ago. I got a headset and a controller. And before I get into the review, please remember to subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Okay, so this was my uncle Anuz who bought this. It's a very nice controller. Now let me just open it up and show you how it looks like. So here we go. This is the controller. I think I'll start using this than my old one. And that's where the headset goes in. And this is where the batteries are. And yeah, that's it. And this is my other headset with a mic. So my mum bought the headset, and this is controller was from my uncle Anuz. So bye guys.